Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create grades, grade steps, grade ladders, and grade rates. I'm a human resources manager at a high-tech company. The company is growing and we need to add new technicians at different grade levels. For our hiring needs, I need to set up 3 new grades for technicians with 4 steps for each grade. I've already created the first 2 of my 3 new grades. I just need to create the last one. The start date for this new grade will be today, so it's effective and available immediately. I'll select the grade set so that it will be available to multiple business units. I'll enter an intuitive name and code so that they're both easily recognizable to use later. The grade information looks good. Now I'll add the 4 steps, making sure that the highest step number is marked as the ceiling step for this grade. All 3 of the new grades and their steps are set up, so I'll go back to the compensation work area and create the grade ladder I want to add them to. If I was adding these new grades to an existing grade ladder, I could search for that grade ladder using any of these fields. But in this case, I'm going to create a new one. The start date will be today's date so I can use it immediately. I'll need to select my grade set again, just like I did in the grade. I'll enter an intuitive name that'll make it easy to connect with the grades I'm adding to it. Since I'm managing my salaries inside the application, I'm also going to include salary updates. I'll search for and add each of the grades I just created. I'll also make sure as I add them that I'm entering the correct sequence number for each grade, with the lowest grade as the lowest sequence number in the ladder. Now that the grades are added to the ladder, I'll enter rate values for each of the steps within the grades and make sure that the ceiling steps are marked correctly. I can also add progression rules for the ladder or for each of the individual grades, but since we manually move our workers and don't use the grade step progression batch process, I'm not going to add any progression rules. Once everything is entered and looks correct, I can save and close. Now we can start hiring the technicians we need. You can find more information and learning resources in your Oracle Fusion Help application, the Oracle Learning Library, and at Oracle University. Thank you.